Wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां बनती हैं, of course. Once more, I'm sure we're going to do that. You know, इस सब के बीच सिर्फ एक आदमी, उसकी बात करूंगा मैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा, positive हैं, and he's super happy right now seeing the both of them perform here. इम्तियाज अली साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. So that smile. Thank you so much for doing this, giving us this lovely, lovely pair here. Vedang, welcome. Sharvari, thank you so much for being here. ये करके और ये जो तालियां सीटियां बज रही हैं, इसके ऊपर what would you like to say?
Just thank you guys for showing up. It is a very special day for us. Our trailer is going to come out very, very soon, and our movie is going to come out for all of you to see very, very soon. So thank you for making it, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Hi everybody. Thank you for being here, and a little nervous, very excited to show you all our trailer. It's our labor of love, and I hope you all receive this love and feel the love that we've put into this. So thank you.
Requesting the both of you to kindly be seated. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Vedang और शार्वरी के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. And now let me just do this. गने तेज हैं, हार्ट अटैक.
हाँ जी, अगर आपको नर्वसनेस नहीं दिखी थी वो परफॉर्मेंस में जो हमने किया तो शायद अभी दिख जाएगी, because बहुत सारे लोग आए हैं and lot of cameras.
Yeah.
So, but I'm fine now. I'm settled in.
You are fabulous यार. जो भी हमने यहाँ पे देखा, नसीर साहब का जवानी का किरदार आप प्ले कर रहे. Talk to us about that. सर से थोड़ा टिप्स वगैरह लिया था. इम्तियाज सर से क्या पूछा था?
मैंने ना
हो गया जोक, चलो आज का.
That was a good one.
You get that only one.
Okay. So it was a big responsibility. बहुत ही बड़ी जिम्मेदारी थी कि नसीर सर का यंगर वर्जन प्ले करना, और ये बहुत ही यूनिक अपॉर्चुनिटी थी क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ उनका, बहुत ज़्यादा ही बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ उनका. और जब 2-3 साल में ऑडिशंस दिया करता था 2018-19 में, तो मैं नसीर सर के मास्टर क्लास वीडियोस देखता था और उससे बहुत इंस्पायर होता था, नोट्स लिखता था जो भी सर बोलते थे एक्टिंग के बारे में. और जब मैं उनसे पहली बार मिला, उनके घर गया था मैं, इम्तियाज सर ने इनवाइट किया था, तो मेरे हाथ काँप रहे थे और इट वाज जस्ट अ मीटिंग. लेकिन मैं कॉपी और पेन लेके गया था कि मैं थोड़े कुछ जीनियस अगर आ जाए तो मैं उसको नोट डाउन कर लूँ. तो ये इक्वेशन आई डिडंट गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शूट विद हिम और दिलजीत सर क्योंकि टाइमलाइन डिफरेंस था, लेकिन मैं सेट पे गया, उनको ऑब्जर्व किया, एंड इट्स जस्ट द बिगेस्ट प्रिविलेज एंड ऑनर.
आई एम श्योर देयर इज अनदर थिंग जिसको आप और भी बिगेस्ट बोलेंगे यहाँ पे, रहमान साहब के लिए गाना गाना.
ये मैं मतलब मैं ये ऐसे हो रहा हूँ मैं अभी.
आई एम श्योर.
या एक्चुअली वी आर मीटिंग फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम क्योंकि we on FaceTime we had discussed and we were
face to face,
not now face to face, so I'm very I'm losing my words.
So you'd like to say something
you got
to
a
him?
beautiful voice
Wow.
and pitching and everything. You saw how he's a real singer.
Thank you. Coming from Rahman sir, that is probably one of the biggest compliments I've ever gotten.
Will you sing for other actors too?
You know what? I don't mind if you're composing it 100%.
Done. ये अलग यहाँ पे एक डील साइन हो गई है. एंड अब मैं इसके आगे कुछ नहीं पूछने वाला हूँ आपको, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर रहमान साहब कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग यू सिंगिंग के लिए, बात खत्म हो गई यहाँ पे. Ladies and gentlemen, the gorgeous शार्वरी, जोरदार तालियां. वाओ, इट्स सो रिलेटेबल. हम सब जिया को जानते हैं ऐसा लग रहा है, एंड सबके जिया में बस गई है वो अपने पहले उस फ्रेम से. What do you want to say about that character and what kind of brief, because this gentleman here, इम्तियाज साहब ना बड़े आराम से अपने काम से प्यार करवाते हैं और फिर एक अलग tangent पे लेके जाते हैं. क्या बोलेंगी?
मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगी कि जिया का जो किरदार है उसमें जो सादगी है, जो सिंप्लिसिटी है और जो ऑनेस्टी है वो हमारे फिल्म में है. आई थिंक हर किरदार में है वैसे तो, पर आई रिमेंबर जब मैं फ़र्स्ट टाइम इम्तियाज़ सर से मिली थी तब मैंने 2 घंटे आई थिंक सिर्फ बातें करी थी और उन्होंने कुछ नहीं कहा था, मैं सिर्फ बातें करे जा रही थी. और तब मुझे लगा था कि पक्का मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है इसके बाद, क्योंकि मैं उनको बहुत पका के चली गई थी. बट आई थिंक इट वर्कड इन माई फेवर बिकॉज माई कैरेक्टर इज़ समथिंग ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. and वो पकाती नहीं है, but she's a little bit talkative, and yeah, it's an honor and it is such a big privilege to work with Imtiaz sir, especially when he writes women in his films. They are so layered. He sees emotions and cinema just so beautifully from the lens that he sees it, and I'm just privileged to stand here on this podium with everyone. Rahman sir, thank you so much. I've always been a huge fan, huge fan. I remember I wrote that essay to you on Instagram, but I'm a huge fan, and what an honor it is to just be here right now.
Just looking at this scene, it's an image you should never go away from, everyone. It's like a unique image. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sharwari, just one more thing. Is Imtiaz Saab always in this zen mode या कभी कुछ डांटना पीटना कुछ होता है ऐसा चिल्लाना सेट पे कुछ दे दो मसाला please.
नहीं seriously
नहीं,
बोला नहीं
actually.
होता.
So he's always like this.
So I think his best quality is his calmness, and he's so precise and.
हंस रहे क्यों
He's
ये
looking
कौन सी
away.
टीम है ये कौन लोग
Who's
हैं?
laughing?
ये AD team.
I think it's the AD team. AD team is not buying this actually, I think.
I'm sure.
No,
Mohit
no,
is
no.
laughing.
I'm yet to make
Mohit
him.
को हंसी आ गई.
No, I'm yet to make you angry.
No, but he's a gem, and whenever we're on set and he's in his element and he's directing us, it is actually one of the most precious feelings that I've had in my life.
Over the years, we have seen your movies, and we have been an entu cutlet when it comes to your movies, especially the kind of romance you have depicted on screen. But one thing which we have also noticed कि आपके प्यार की जो अंत होती है, उसमें कहीं ना कहीं दुख काफी होता है, बिछड़ जाते हैं या किसी की डेथ हो जाती है. Do you choose that precisely? Do you have any personal experience around it? What is the thought behind it?
What a question. What a question to start with. I think आपका सवाल सुन करके मुझे लग रहा है I should see a therapist. मगर मैं जान के नहीं करता हूँ मुझसे हो जाता है. Sorry about that. A lot of things that we do in this work is actually not guided by our intellect. ऐसा लगता है some story is coming and I'm just being, just the hand that is writing it, really. पता नहीं यार, honest answer is that. Thank you.
And lastly, to my questions to Vedang and Sharwari, I have to definitely ask this, a fresh pairing, and when it comes to, going back to the vintage love, if both of you have to, speak your idea of love, and especially vintage love, what is that?
Suddenly started working. I think it would be a lot like what Jia and Kinu's love is like. Less words, more spoken glance, more glances that are spoken, more, fewer words. वो ऐसी जो आँखों ही आँखों में प्यार होता है, a promise that you keep forever, just things like that. I think. Letters.
Yeah, that is something that's really missed now. Something about love letters is so romantic, and now we're in a generation of messaging and texting and WhatsApp, Instagram. So that innocence is something that was really pure back then, and that's something that you really see with Jia and Kinu. And I feel like, at least I can speak for myself, but I may also speak for my generation when I say that we also long for something like this. And that is why it becomes so exciting to see, love like how it used to be.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Grenelle here from Bollywood Bubble. Vedang, my questions to you.
Sorry, where are you? Can I see you?
Hi.
Hi.
You're just 25, and I would say the youngest male lead actor in an Imtiaz Ali film.
Oh, is that true?
Wow. Congrats.
Okay.
I believe so. How
Okay.
does it feel to actually get this tag now that you're the youngest male lead in an Imtiaz film?
Well, it makes me feel young. And also very, very honored. I mean, to be part of an Imtiaz Ali film, even at the age of whatever, would have been a privilege. And well, this is a really interesting title to be the youngest. But I keep saying it. It's the most amazing thing that could have happened to me, especially this early in my career. And I'd just like to thank Imtiaz sir for that.
Do you think that adds some unnecessary pressure in the long run?
In the long run, I don't know. I don't see it like that. But definitely, I did feel the pressure when I was cast. I did feel the pressure when I heard I'm playing the younger version of Nasir sir, to be a part of a film in which such esteemed actors, veterans are there, Diljit Paji. And those things, definitely I took that pressure as a responsibility and I hope people are happy.
Rajat ji,
But don't take the pressure of being the youngest, because Alia is bearing that.
Yeah, exactly. See,
Youngest
no, hero,
male
hero,
lead.
sir.
Oh, hero, male. Yeah, okay, sorry.
Sir, please don't take this away from me.
जी मैं भावना शर्मा। मेरा सवाल संजय सूरी जी से है जो ऊपर थे और आगे प्लीज।
भावना जी गुस्ताखी
या,
गुस्ताखी माफ। मैं मुझे लगा सिर्फ
नहीं 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 संजय जी आपने बहुत
अब है
खूबसूरत। यहाँ हूँ भावना शर्मा नव भारत
नमस्कार।
के लिए।
नमस्कार।
आपने एक बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म का जिक्र किया, पिंजर, नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग फिल्म थी और वो भी पूरी तरह से पार्टीशन पर बेस्ड थी और उसमें भी बहुत खूबसूरती से उन्होंने पार्टीशन की थी और आपका बहुत अच्छा किरदार आपने उसमें भी निभाया था। मेरा सवाल ये है कि अगर आप पिंजर से कंपेयर करें, दोनों ही डायरेक्टर्स यानी डॉक्टर चंद्र प्रकाश द्विवेदी हो या फिर इम्तियाज जी हो, उस वक्त वो दोनों ही पैदा नहीं हुए थे, लेकिन उन दोनों ने ही बहुत खूबसूरती से, जैसा आज इसमें भी दिखा, कि उन्होंने पार्टीशन को बहुत अच्छे से डिफाइन किया अपनी अपनी लैंग्वेज में। तो आप उन दोनों को अगर कंपेयर करें तो क्या पाते हैं पिंजर और इसमें?
भावना जी पैदा तो मैं भी नहीं हुआ था तो लेकिन कंपेयर करना सही तराजू नहीं होगा, क्योंकि अगर आप पार्टीशन को ही देखें, 15 मिलियन लोग, 12 से 15, 7.5-8 मिलियन इस तरफ से वहाँ गए और 7-8 मिलियन वहाँ से यहाँ है। हर एक की कहानियाँ हैं। यस, वो लोग पैदा नहीं हुए थे लेकिन कहानियाँ सुनी हैं, और जिस इंसान को हिस्ट्री में इंटरेस्ट हो और दर्द समझता हो, वो ऐसी कहानियाँ बनाएगा। और क्योंकि ये इम्तियाज़ की फिल्म है, उन्हीं की बात करते हैं, वो दर्द समझते हैं, वो प्यार समझते हैं। आप सड़क पे चल रहे हैं और आपको बिना किसी वजह के कोई थप्पड़ मार देता है, वो उस एहसास को समझते हैं। तो ये पार्टीशन से पहले अनडिवाइडेड इंडिया की कहानी है। पार्टीशन हादसा था, बंटवारा हादसा था, तो उससे ये हर रोज़ हो रहा है। ये ज़रूरी है पार्टीशन नहीं। आप उसके बाद 1990 ले लीजिए, कुछ साल पहले कर्नाटका में, बेंगलोर में एक्सोडस हुआ, आज जो दुनिया भर में माहौल हो रहा है, तो जिस पे बीतती है उसकी पूरी जनरेशन इम्पैक्ट हो जाती है। बहुत आसान होता है कि चिल्ला के बोलना मारो मारो मारो, लेकिन जिस पे बीत रही होती है वो उम्र भर के लिए नहीं, उसकी काफ़ी पीढ़ियाँ उसका असर उन पे पड़ता है। तो कहीं ना कहीं ये बहुत गहरी सोच, लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे क्या है? प्यार, मोहब्बत, इंसानियत। सो ये इशक, जैसे वो ज़ेन की बात हो रही थी, इम्तियाज़ के साथ जब काम करने को मिला, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा कि ऑफ कोर्स डायरेक्टर टेक्नीशियन तो हैं ही, वो तो मतलब कितनी बार प्रूव करेंगे, लेकिन जो नसीर साहब जो कह गए, ये ऐसे डायरेक्टर हैं जो शॉट मिलने के बाद भी बोलते हैं अब ये तो मिल गया है, अब उसको वो मैच नहीं करेंगे, हम कुछ और करते हैं। तो आपका हाथ पकड़ के आपको एक अलग जगह ले जाते हैं जहाँ आप खुद नहीं गए होते। सो फॉर एन एक्टर इट वाज अ प्रिविलेज। सो मैं यही कहूँगा, सो कंपैरिजन वुड नॉट बी राइट, बट ऑफ कोर्स दिस विल आल्सो बिकम अ रेफरेंस फिल्म, आई एम श्योर।
Rajat, hi, good afternoon. I have a question for you. आप इतने सालों से इंडस्ट्री में हैं, आप इतने वर्सेटाइल हो, पर हमें एक्चुअली कुछ ज़्यादा पता नहीं है आपका ये मूवी में रोल क्या है। क्या आप हमें कुछ बता सकते हैं?
आपने देखा नहीं ट्रेलर में?
कुछ ज़्यादा डिटेल में, if possible, without spoilers.
I'm playing Nasir Saab's son and Daljeet's father. It's a very special character for me because, like I said, Imtiaz really knows his people very well. So he had very detailed idea of why this person is the way he is, and then so on. No, I can't tell you more about the character. लेकिन मजे का है जो भी है, आप देखिए. Thank you.
Hello, hello, hi. Disha this side. Sharvari, Kissimisi
Hi,
that
Disha.
has traveled world, and it has reached to the most beautiful and common, person in both of your life, Vedang, you as well, which is Alia. And I, मैंने story देखी थी where she was actually enjoying the song. How special does it feel जब वेदांग आपका भी बहुत प्यारा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है जिगरा में. How does it feel when your co-star promotes and loves everything you do so much?
You know, I think she did it purely out of love and just the fondness that she has for all of us, Imtiaz sir as well. I don't think she's that calculated as a person. She just felt like she really liked the song. I think she reached out to all of us. I'm sure she was really busy in Cannes and still she made sure that she put something out for us, which is so sweet and so generous, and it describes her more than anything else. And we're just so grateful to have a cheerleader like that in our lives. And yeah, I've had the best experience shooting with her, and I can't wait to, show more soon.
Yeah, and this is not like the first time that she's done something like this. This is for the public to see, but I'm talking about my experience of shooting with her throughout the course of Jigra, and she was like that the whole time. I mean, from day one of me arriving on set, you can imagine the nerves I would have as a young actor doing a scene with Alia, and she made sure I'm feeling okay, everything's okay, made me feel calm, was always there to look out for me. And whenever I talk to Sharvari, she has a very similar experience. So you can find out, you know what kind of a person Alia must be. And she's just done this from the kindness of her heart. She must have enjoyed the song, put it up, and we love her for this.
Yeah, we're basically Alia Pagloos.
Yeah, we're
The two of
both
us.
Hello, hi. Hi, Kunal here from India Forums. I have to ask Anjana because I think this is exactly, people keep talking about comeback all the time, but this, it's a real overused term by now, but I just want to know this moment right now. I think everybody, like Vedang just recently got the tag of being the youngest, and, age is no barrier anymore, but whatever stage in your career you start in an Imtiaz Ali film, I think that's going to be so much more important than anything else. I just want to know your, feeling when you were, finalized to be playing a key role in the film, and what has been the factor that over the years it's been sporadic when it comes to work, and then you get something so big and so amazing like this.
Well, I think, it's like you offered a bouquet of roses and some are wilted and some are fresh. And I think I pick up the fresh roses completely, right from the past films to today. And I'm just so glad that I was chosen for this film. It came completely out of the blue and I wasn't expecting, and that was very kind of Mukesh to even think that I could be part of Imtiaz's film. And I think everybody's bucket list is Imtiaz Ali, so I don't think there's any actor on this, at least in the Indian film industry, who would not want to. So I guess I think I would just say that I was really, really blessed to, get this part and be here and share the stage with these amazing people today. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, this is Amar from Punjab Kesari. Congratulations, guys. Such a beautiful, beautiful trailer. My question is for Sharvari. Sharvari, you are such an incredible talent who always lights up the screen whenever you come. And for a project as magical as this, how does your prep change when it's a film by Imtiaz Ali? How does it evolve? Is it much more collaborative?
I think I put in the same amount of hard work that I would put in any film. But of course, I think when it comes to Imtiaz sir, I think I completely leaned on him to guide me in this process. He, like everybody said on this stage, he knows so much about his characters. It's also because of the way he sees them, and I think he also understands human nature so well, that it's very interesting and exciting to sit across Imtiaz sir over like a dinner or a lunch and just understand what he's thinking. And just by conversation, there's so much that you can absorb. So I've always been like a sponge, that I just wanted to know more from him, whether it's about this film, about life, about anything. And I think that I would say that I'm a more far evolved person after meeting him and listening to him and hearing him, and now making him sound like very preachy. But we've had great and fun moments too, and he's very funny. I just want to say for people who don't know, and we've had such a great time. So honestly, I'm only grateful for this opportunity, and I've learned so much from Imtiaz sir, and I hope I continue to do so.
Hope is the word. I remember watching Amar Singh Chamkila in a theater, and everyone was crying, and I saw some people going like on the same emotion after seeing the trailer. My second question is for Manish sir. I couldn't see a lot of shades of your character in the trailer, grey, white, black. You can tell us more about your character in the film.
You didn't see that shot? Yeah? That very dramatic half-a-second shot that Imtiaz put in the trailer for me. That should say it all, no? No? Yeah, that best represents me, yeah. But of course, I mean, of course, jokes apart, I mean, like Rajat said, you know, it wouldn't be right to speak much about the film. I mean, the trailer is just out, and we'd like the audiences and all of you to really enjoy it, to watch it, and then we can speak after. I'll have a little more than half a second once you see the film. Yeah.
Hello, hi, Shachi here from News 18. Sir, I have two questions, one from Imtiaz sir and one from Sunil sir. Imtiaz sir, everyone is talking about how it is a milestone to be in your film. How difficult it is to live up to that expectation every time?
I feel that it's a milestone for me as well to be in my film. Because it takes a while. I hope that it doesn't take so long now. My daughter Rida always says that you should make more films, and hopefully I'll increase the rate. But I feel that the director is the only person that is not needed on set for the shot to still be taken. These wonderful actors, believe me, will do the acting. Sorry, Rajat, you are a director, but you're also an actor, which I'm not. But it is just to the credit. Director's work is nothing. It is just the representation of the work of the cast, the crew, the technicians, and everything coming together, which will happen without him also. So sometimes I also, like Vedang, have the imposter syndrome where I feel that I'm getting credit for the work of other people. And I sometimes feel I'm just a postman carrying the letter to this address. So I feel that I have been lucky with the people that I have got to work with, as in the case of Main Wapas Aaunga.
Thank you so much, sir. Sunil sir, I have a question for you. So we know how Applause has given such a beautiful content to all of us. How did this collaboration with Window Seat Films happen?
So I have to, of course I spoke about our love for Imtiaz sir, but I have to speak about my co-producing partners here, Window Seat, Mohit Chaudhary and Shibashish Sarkar, who I think have been such gems to work with. You know, sometimes a relationship while making a film goes through its ups and downs, but I don't know of a greater synergy that we have experienced as we have in the case of Main Wapas Aaunga, thanks to Mohit and thanks to Shibashish. So we're very happy. I mean, it's been a wonderful journey, and we can't wait for you all to see the film.